Well, good evening, everyone. COVID-19 has, of course, impacted all of our lives over the past 2.5 years, but now there's a new public health threat out there.
Yeah, you might have heard about this, the monkeypox outbreak sweeping the nation. It is starting to spread, so what can you do to protect yourself and your family? Vaccine protests like this one in San Francisco are starting to pop up from coast to coast. And while officials say nobody has died from monkeypox here in the U.S., there is some concern about vaccine shortages. All of this putting a strain on a healthcare system still reeling from the pandemic.
I'm going to show you this map tonight from the CDC. The orange-colored dots represent outbreaks in countries that don't normally have monkeypox. That includes more than 2,300 cases now in the United States. The countries where monkeypox is typically found are all in Africa, marked by the blue dots.
According to the state health department, there are 679 cases of monkeypox confirmed across the state, with most of them in New York City. There have been 2 reported cases in Erie County. Senior reporter Eileen Buckley is here with more on how the county and state are responding. Eileen?
Well, Leah, New York State is currently reporting the greatest number of monkeypox cases in the nation, and that is why the state is working to secure more vaccines. But we want to stress you should not be alarmed over this outbreak. However, you should be informed.
It's not aerosolized in the way that measles is or COVID is. This is spread principally by skin-to-skin, face-to-face contact, meaning literally face-to-face.
New York State Health Commissioner Dr. Mary Bassett appeared Wednesday at a news conference with Governor Kathy Hochul to discuss the current outbreak, calling it a growing concern. While anyone could get monkeypox, health experts emphasize it is a rare viral infection and does not spread easily between people.
Overwhelmingly, the people who've been diagnosed are people who identify as gay, bisexual, or men who have sex with men. Anyone can get monkeypox, but right now, this virus is spreading through the social networks of men who have sex with men.
Symptoms of monkeypox include lesions or rashes that can look like blisters or pimples, swollen lymph nodes, fever, headache, muscle aches, chills, and exhaustion. If you are experiencing those symptoms, you should contact your doctor for testing.
It is rarely fatal, but it is extremely unpleasant, and the lesions can be severely painful.
Right now, there is a nationwide shortage of the monkeypox vaccine, but so far New York has secured more than 60,000 doses of the vaccine.
That, by the way, just to give you a perspective, that's enough vaccines for the first shot for about 50% of the population at risk. We're talking about people living with HIV. We're talking about men who have sex with men who are eligible for PrEP. And that's progress, not enough. We got to keep going and we got to keep doing more.
Now, here in Erie County, where there are currently only 2 reported cases, the Erie County Health Department tells me they are expected to receive 600 doses from the State Department of Health. Some will be reserved for those close contacts of those 2 patients, the rest distributed to eligible Erie County residents through an upcoming clinic that will be coordinated with Evergreen Health. A date has not been yet announced. Live in studio tonight, Eileen Buckley, 7 News.